Hello, kids. I'm Noah. Welcome to the Children's Singing and Play class. Today, we're going to learn 10 different colors together. Kids, let's get started. Do you know the answer to this?
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8,
You got it
lay
right.
them straight.
What's the
9,
next question?
10, a big fat hen. One and 2, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4,
Well
shut
done.
the door.
Can you do this
5
one?
and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen.
Yes, that's it. How about this one?
1 and 2, take the glue. 3 and 4, spread on the door. 5 and 6, take your pick. 7 and 8, paste it straight.
Great.
9 and 10, a job
The next
well
one
done,
is
a job well done, a job well done, a job well done.
perfect. This one is very simple.
1 and 2,
Can you handle
go
it?
to zoo. 3 and 4, the lions roar. 5 and 6, monkey in a fix. 7 and 8, birds on a stage. 9 and 10, we all had fun. We all had fun.
You are very
We all
intelligent.
had fun. We
Let's
all
keep
had
learning
fun.
together.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks.
Great.
7, 8, lay them straight.
How about this
9,
one?
10, a big fat hen. One and 2, buckle my shoe.
You got it
3
right.
and 4,
What's the
shut
next question?
door. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them
Let's
straight.
keep learning together.
9 and 10, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen.
Well done. Can you do this one?
1 and 2, take the glue. 3 and 4, spread on the door. 5 and 6, take your pick. 7 and 8,
Perfect.
paste
You are
it
very
straight.
clever.
9
Full
and 10,
marks.
a job
Kids,
well done,
today's
a
practice
job
session
well
has come to
done,
an
a
end,
job
and you
well
did an
done,
excellent
a
job.
well done.
Remember to tell your friends to join our classes and sing along. If there are any new words you want to learn or songs you'd like to sing, remember to let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.